I am Mr. Gant. Project Management. In this video, I will guide you how we can download Primavera risk analysis software from the website. First of all, you will type here, eDelivery Oracle, in Google. So, you can see the option we have here, Oracle Software Delivery Cloud. You will click on this option. You can see here the eDeliveryOracle.com. Here we have two options. Sign in, then create an account. If you have already an account, you can sign in. Otherwise, you can create a new account by clicking on Create Account option. Here, you can see we have a form. You have to enter the required information, email, password, or retype password, country, name, then job title, work phone, company name, address, city, state, zip code, and password code. I will not enter anything here because I have already an account. When you will fill this form, you will click on Create Account option. Let me show you the next process. Here you can see, we have here the Oracle Software Delivery Cloud. Here, we will type Primavera Risk Analysis. You can see, here the Primavera Risk Analysis is 8.7.5. You will click on this option. And now you can see here. Click on View Item. Continue. Next, what we have to do, we have to click in this option and then click on All. Now, click on Continue. An Oracle Standard Terms and Instructions form will appear. If you want to read, you can. Otherwise, scroll down. And then, click on this option. Then click on Continue. Now, click on Download. You can see here, Oracle SSNDLM. It's an Oracle installer. Double-click on this option. Next, downloading has been started. Okay, done. You can click on Open Destination. Or you can see here, we have two files, zip files here. You can see, we have here the setup. Double-click on this option. Click on Yes. Now, installation has been started. Click on I accept, then continue. Next. If you need to download the sample, install the sample for plan, you can have. Otherwise, you can click on Next. But I don't need, that's why I just uncheck this box. Click on Next. You can write here, company name. Let's suppose I am going to write here IPMP. Click on Install. Click on Finish. Installation is done. Let's open it. Here, you can see we have the software Primavera Risk Analysis. Now, click on Open. You can write to register your full name here. Click on OK, and you can see Oracle Primavera Risk Analysis. Software has been opened now. It's ready to use.